Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 6 and this is by Hotwheels from the 90's street scene. So I can't stress this enough. I really love the card art even compared to the premium ones. This looks really way cool. And I bought it for MRP, which is $2.99. And see, at some point in everyone's life they might have saw a lancer and they immediately fell in love with. At least that's what happened to me. So when I was a kid, we used to live in a colony, private colony. So there was this one guy. Okay, so see, I am from a middle class family, but that guy, these guys are very rich, and they usually live nearby the company itself compared to us. So one day my dad told there is this guy, he's having a Lancer. That's I think around that's very old Lancer, not this one. So this happened when I was when I was studying like fourth standard or fifth standard. So somewhere around 1998, 1999, I guess. So that was a old Lancer, you know. So I went to that place, and usually back then when we were kids, the security won't allow us to go there because anyway we are kids, right? We usually go, we do all the stunts and all. We jump up and down, we break things, we steal things, we do lot of this mischiefs, right? So they won't allow us. So we sneaked right to that through that guard, and we actually went to see that Lancer. That's what that was my first uh, time when I saw that black Lancer. So I don't remember the make, year and all, and exactly what version it is. It was very long back, like you see, it's 1998, 1999 around that time. But that's the first time I saw Lancer in my life, and I was like, oh wow, that's a Lancer, and it looks really good. And even though my personal favorite is always Lamborghini, but when it comes to when I started when I wondered about a car, that's the first time I felt awesome. That was the first car, and that was a Lancer. Okay, so let's talk about this casting. It looks absolutely beautiful if you ask me, and so far I don't see any paint issues. At least I think I spoken too soon. There is some issue some issue here, but apart from that, okay, it has headlight details. The logo placement is really good on this one. Fog lamps and everything is there. So it has rear view mirrors. I think the Nissan which we unboxed yesterday, okay, that didn't have any rear view mirror. So I thought I missed that out. Okay, the entire body is, oh, okay. Only the body is made of metal. The spoiler is actually plastic. I thought this is made of metal. No, this is plastic piece. Not sure why they did this. Usually they don't do that. They usually do the entire thing as metal. Okay, the rear detailing is also good. The tail lights and everything, which is really nice. The chassis is plastic. The wheels are actually plastic. So this is, I think, the similar rim. Yeah. The only thing is it is not painted on this spokes inside. It has interior detailing to it, which is really nice, and you can see the hood details here. That is actually embossed. It is not painted or anything, which is really good in my opinion. You can see the windshield wipers on both sides, both front and rear, which is really nice. Okay, let's weigh this car. So this looks heavier than the Nissan. I think that came around 32 grams. Let's see. Okay, this is around 33 grams. Okay, I think they are doing it around the same weight range if I'm not wrong. Let's see. Let's weight all this five castings, during our video and see whether anything deviates above 35 or 36. Okay. So with that said, let's do a roll test. Come on. Good. Think it is getting stuck. Let's try one more time. Yeah. Okay. Third try. Nice. It does have a little wheel wobble, but end of the day it actually rolls. Yeah, it rolls till the end, which is really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.